The recent merger between Reliance Communication and Sistema may not be restricted only to Indian operations. Sources tell ET Now that the deal is set to have global implications as well. The deal will have a bigger play involving 3 stages that could end with Reliance Communications completely merging with Sistema by 2017. As far as India is concerned, the MTS brand will be kept alive, with Sistema picking up 10% stake in Reliance Communications.
This could really be the mega deal in Indian telecom. Sources tell us that RCom and Sistema are in talks for a 3-stage transaction, and first stage of this global merger could see RCom acquiring MTS by end of this year, and Sistema will own about 10% stake in RCom. As part of the deal, it's unlikely to get a board seat, but as far as the discussions are concerned, RCom is likely to keep the MTS brand alive. Stage 2 of the deal will see Sistema infusing equity in RCom. That's likely to take place by 2016. Sources tell us that Sistema may look to raise its stake in RCom to anywhere between 30 to 35% from 10% in stage 1 of the deal. And that, of course, could mean that RCom would become a joint venture between Sistema as well as Anil Ambani. In stage 2 of the deal, sources tell us Sistema could get board representation in RCom. Stage 3, which is the final leg of this mega deal, could see a global share swap between RCom and Sistema. That's likely to take place by 2017. RCom will merge with Sistema's global operations, and that, of course, will mean Anil Ambani will have a global footprint and will have a play not just in Indian telecom, but of course will have a footprint and foothold in telecom operations of Sistema, which includes several Central European countries, and that, of course, will mean Anil Ambani having a play not just in India but overseas as well. This is a mega transaction that is being planned and discussed between both parties. Sources tell us that already talks have advanced pretty significantly. We did reach out to both the Sistema and RCom. Sistema denied the structure that is being discussed, that is being reported by ET Now. As far as RCom is concerned, it has maintained its earlier statement about talks with Sistema. But sources tell us that this is a transaction that is being planned, and both parties have shown serious intent to take this forward.
What we are learning from sources is that it is not a simple transaction that is being discussed between both parties. In fact, a 3-layer or a 3-tier structure is being discussed between Sistema and RCom. In terms of stage 1, Sistema is likely to get close to about 10% stake in RCom. Sistema could increase its stake in RCom, pump in more money and increase that stake to anywhere between 30 to as much as 35% right now.